Today I'm going to share with you guys an easy avocado hair mask that you can make at home. It requires 2 to 3 ingredients that you can find easily in the kitchen. Hello everyone, if you're new here, hi, I'm Jujani, and today I'm going to make 2 avocado hair masks. Avocados are great not just to eat but to apply on our skin and hair due to its natural oils, the good fats that help nourish our skin and hair. Now, I've had my fair share of bleaching and dyeing and frying my hair in the last few years, and it needs extreme care. I do apply hair oils after I wash my hair, but once in a while you need a deep conditioning. So today I'm going to share with you guys an easy avocado hair mask that you can make at home. It only requires 2 to 3 ingredients that you can easily find in the kitchen. And maybe the only thing you need to buy is avocados. Alright, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and check out our 5 avocado DIY facial masks on our channel. And let's get started. First, this avocado mask is going to deep condition your damaged hair. You need avocado, olive oil, and honey. Avocados have fats and oils that help repair dry and damaged hair. Olive oil hydrates and helps protect hair from damage. Great when you use a lot of heat on your hair. And lastly, honey is packed with scalp and hair straightening vitamins. Rinse with water after 15 minutes. The second mask is for your scalp. For this mask, you only need avocado and egg yolk. Avocados are high in vitamin B and E that helps repair damage on the scalp, nourishes and locks moisture into hair cells. Egg yolk is known to be beneficial for the scalp. Eggs have protein and lecithin that strengthen hair follicles and roots. Rinse with cold water after 15 minutes because warm water might cook the egg. If you need to dip condition your hair, try out these avocado hair masks and give your hair some love. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know which hair products you like to use and which hair mask you're willing to try in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!